Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card. When AMD announced the launch of their Radeon RX 7000 series graphics card, many AMD fans and gamers were excited, myself included. It was a graphics card that offered increased performance and better improvements over AMD's previous generation, the Radeon RX 6000 series. What's more, the highest end RX 7900 XTX needed no changes or upgrades to your existing PC. Just replace the old graphics card, plug in the standard PCIe power cable, and away you go. You get all this for under $1,000 at only $999. Now let's take a look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX. Now this is the first high-end custom Radeon graphics card that we've tested from ASRock, and it will be fun to see how well it performs. The Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card uses AMD's Navi 31 XTX GPU, which features 96 compute units, 96 ray accelerators, and 6144 stream processors. Typical board power is rated at 355 watts, so we recommend a power supply of 800 watts or higher. Now this card is factory overclocked and operates on a boost clock speed of up to 2615 MHz. The default is 2500 MHz, while the game clock speed is now at 2455 MHz. The default is at 2300 MHz. It comes with 24 GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 384-bit memory bus with a memory speed of up to 20 gigabits per second, giving you a total effective bandwidth of up to 3500 gigabits per second. Wow. Being a custom card from ASRock, it now comes with some unique features, including ASRock's Phantom Gaming 3X cooling system, a reinforced metal frame, a striped ring fan, and of course ASRock's polychrome sync. We'll be testing this card using an Intel Core i9 1300K along with a Z790 motherboard to see how it performs against the older Radeon RX 6750 XT and of course our GeForce RTX 3090. So let's not waste any time, put this into our test rig and see how it performs. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX. It's one of the highest end graphics card that ASRock has produced. OC edition, so it's got factory overclocked GPU already. Comes with 24 GB of GDDR6 RAM and comes with all of the latest technologies from AMD. Alright, so let's take a look inside the box. All right, here we go. Okay, we have a quick installation guide and the graphics card itself. So let's take a look at that. All right, here we have the graphics card, the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX. So this is a custom Radeon graphics card from ASRock with a factory overclocked GPU running at 2615 MHz, boost clock, and also a game clock of 2455 MHz. So got a nice cooling as well. It's quite a heavy card, as you can see. It's quite large. And as you can see, it takes up 2.5 slot space right here. So you need some room inside your chassis to make sure that connects up. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, it's a nice metal back plate there that helps with the cooling. You also got the reinforced plate right at the top here that helps as well to give the card some good stability there. Okay, notice the top right here, you can also see the LED on off. You can switch that on and off for the LEDs as well. Also at the top here, you can see the 3 PCIe power connectors here. All 3 needs to be plugged in to power up the graphics card. And if you look at closely inside here, you'll see a 3-pin ARGB header there, so you can connect the ARGB cable to give you that ASRock polychrome sync. Very large heat sink. You can see the heat pipes as well. That all helps with the cooling. There's a total of 6 heat pipes, and you have some nice branding there, the Radeon, and also the Phantom Gaming. This kind of acrylic lights up with the LED RGB. All right, it's got triple fans, and this is part of the Phantom Gaming 3X cooling system. You can see got the large heatsink here, and also the heat pipes as well. Okay, here we have the output for your monitors. There's HDMI, and there's 3 display ports as well. So 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Alright, very nice card. Love to see how this will perform against the GeForce RTX 3090 that we have. Apparently it should compete very well against the RTX 40 series, the 4080 I guess, but definitely AMD is doing a really good job in catching up slowly. Alright, let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. And this is the quick unboxing of the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card. So earlier this year, there's been reports of the graphics card overheating with the GPU hotspot reaching 110 degrees. That's only on the reference cards from AMD. But this is a custom card from ASRock with the special Phantom Gaming 3X cooling, and that should be enough to cool the graphics card without causing any issues with the GPU hotspot. Alright, so let's put this in and see how it performs. Well, what can I say other than the fact that right now in our labs, the ASRock Radeon RX 7900 XTX is one of the fastest graphics cards we've tested to date, not taking into account of course the GeForce RTX 4090, which we haven't tested yet. It easily beats our trusted GeForce RTX 3090 in all of our tests. In our test, we use our usual test rig, which comprised of the Intel Core i9-13900K processor, the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard, and 32 gigs of the Viper Gaming Venom DDR5 6200 memory. I got excellent scores in all of our benchmarks, including an impressive high score of 24,039 for GPU basemark and a Geekbench GPU score of 174,815. For Unigen's Valley benchmark, we got a score of 11,456 and a Final Fantasy benchmark score of 21,506. For Super Precision 1080p Extreme and Optimized 4K, we got excellent scores of 17,540 and 23,244 respectively. For 3D Mark Timespy and Firestrike, it produced an amazing score of 27,835 and 43,120 respectively. And finally, for Speedway and Port Royal, it produced an impressive score of 6,185 and 15,941 respectively. And lastly, we got a DirectX ray tracing score of 50.42 frames per second and a Passmark 10 GPU score of 27,933. The card comes with the Phantom Gaming 3X cooling system featuring a massive heatsink and 6 heat pipes, a reinforced frame and a metal backplate, and 3 strip ring fans. Thanks to this new custom cooling solution, you don't have to worry about any GPU hotspot issue. Overall, the GPU temperatures reached a high of 60 degrees Celsius, while the GPU hotspot reached a maximum of 160 degrees Celsius. So there's no question in my mind, the ASRock Radeon RX 7900 XTX Phantom Gaming Graphics Card is an excellent choice for enthusiast gamers who wants the latest graphics technologies without having to upgrade their PC or replace their existing power supply. It offers amazing performance thanks to its factory overclocked GPU with 24 gigs of GDDR6 RAM running at 20 gigabits per second. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card. An amazing graphics card with performance that'll blow your mind. It competes really well against the GeForce RTX, and it will be perfect for any gamers who wants that performance without changing your existing power supplies or any other components inside your PC. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. Of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.